G'day guys, start by making a new composition. Name our comp 1920 by 1080 and we're going to make this a 5-minute composition. Then press OK. Head down to our timeline, select new and solid. Then we're going to change the solid to any color because it won't matter anyway later on. Head over to our mask, press and hold for the ellipse tool. Hold shift on your keyboard and click to drag in order to make a perfect circle. You can also double click the points and drag them and use this snapping feature here to accurately center the mask. Then we're going to invert it and select audio spectrum. From there we're going to select mask 1 and we're going to go back to our project and find our source song. Select OK once we have that and drag that into our timeline. Head back over to the effects. Then once we've selected our music layer, we can also deselect this little icon here to see our audio spectrum a lot clearer. Then we can also change our display options to analog lines, and we can also change our side. Then from there you can also adjust the audio height on your audio spectrum. Select your music layer, then press L on your keyboard twice. These audio wavelengths will correspond to the maximum heights possible in your audio spectrum. From there you can adjust the audio height on your audio spectrum. And we can also change the color of the inner and outer part of our audio spectrum. So for this I'm going to be choosing the same blue for each. Next we're just going to duplicate this layer. We can also scale this by pressing S on our keyboard and rotating this by pressing R. And this should give us this really cool kind of echo effect for our audio spectrum. Then we're just going to press shift and select all our layers, all our red layers. Then we're going to right click and pre-compose, move all attributes to new composition, add some other really cool effects such as CC light rays. We're just going to move that center point across to the top. We're also going to change the warp softness. Also duplicate this by pressing Command D or Control C, Control V, and we can create another light ray down the bottom of our audio spectrum, and you're done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!